Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I have inside this cute little bag. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. This is my airplane comfort kit and it has everything I need to stay comfortable during a flight. I got this bag off of Amazon and this is the Travelon Toiletries bag and this is what it looks like. I have this packed to the max, so I will show you what I have inside. So the bag opens up like this. Just like that. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's start at the top. In this section, I have a pen, and then I have a notebook, just in case I want to write something down. And then I have my AirPods here, and I have a charging cord. On some of the airplanes, I can plug this in, but a lot of them have the USB port, so I use this. And then I have some corded headphones. And I have a flashlight just in case I need that. And that is everything in this top pocket here. Now onto the middle section. In here I have a lollipop. And this is a Lollies and this is the orange mango. I have some floss and Colgate wisps just in case you need to freshen your breath or if you have anything in your teeth. And then last thing in this pocket, I have some gum. This is good to freshen your breath, but also to help you pop your ears. Same with the Ricola, and I have some Halls in here. I also have this ginger candy, which is really good for nausea. And then I have some Simply Mints. So that's everything in there. In this next pocket, I have some Zicam, and this is good because it's a cold remedy and it's a nasal swab and it helps shorten the duration of a cold. I also have a mask in here. This is really good. I did use a mask on my last trip because there were so many people coughing, so this definitely came in handy. Next are these calm patches, and these are really good if you're a nervous flyer like I am. And all you do is you just remove the sticker and then you apply it onto your wrist. I have this one on. This is the immunity. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the immunity patch. So this one is the immunity patch, and this is from the Patch brand. And this has vitamin C, zinc, citrate, vitamin D, ginkgo biloba, and echinacea. And then this is the calm patch, and this has valerian root, B6, and ashwagandha. These work well for me, but just check with your doctor to make sure these are okay for you to use. So there's that. Next, I have some Salompas, and these are pain relieving patches. These are really good, especially for a flight. You can apply these patches directly onto your skin, and it will help alleviate any pain that you have. So these are good to have. I have a doggy poop bag, and you can put your trash in here or use this if you get nauseous. I have my Swiss card here. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you've seen this plenty of times. It has a toothpick. It also has a pen and it does write. On this side here, it has a pair of tweezers. And then it has scissors. It also has a glass nail file, a ruler, and a magnifying glass. And did I show this? It has screwdrivers. This is a really helpful tool and it's TSA approved. I've gone through security so many times with this. So there's that. Next item I have are some Bonine pills, and this is good for motion sickness. I have an eye mask here and some hair ties. And then I have some medications back here. So I have Aleve, Tylenol, and then I have a first aid kit. This is just a basic first aid kit. So it has some Band-Aids, triple antibiotic ointment, and some alcohol prep pads, and then some Q-tips. I also have some eye drops here. If you're anything like me, your eyes get dry on the plane, so these help. And then I have a nail cutter. This is the Mr. Green nail cutter, and it's very sharp, and it has a nail file on this side. And then last thing in this section, I have some Burt's Bees chapstick. And in this pocket here, I have this. It's not what you think. It's a fan. It has 2 speeds, and this works really well. I had to get this because the last flight we were on, the air wasn't working and it was so hot in there. I used a brochure to fan myself, but it just wasn't cutting it. So I'm glad I added this to my kit. And it does come with a cord here. You can charge this, so make sure you have that together. And that is everything in this section here. Okay, and last but not least is this pocket here. And I have a lens wipe. I have some tissues. I always need tissues with me. And then I have some wipes here. These are water wipes. They're only made with sterilized water and 100% cotton. And these are really gentle. There's no scent to them. And I love using these to wipe my hands. Of course, I need some Clorox wipes. I wipe down the tray table and my seat. My spouse does the same thing. So these are good for disinfecting. And then I have, this is another lens wipe. I have some face masks here. And I do use face masks. My spouse and I, we, we use face masks during the, hi Charlie, the flight. So this is the Pacifica face mask. And oh, these are hero patches if you have a pimple. And I have this eye mask here. It's a warming eye mask and it feels really good and I fall asleep so fast. And then I have a Ziploc bag just in case you need it. And then I have a nail polish remover pad, a glasses cleaner. I have a shout wipe here just in case I get a stain on my shirt. Of course, I need some hot sauce. This is my favorite hot sauce from Starbucks. I just keep the packets with me. I have some makeup here. This is Kat Von D. This is the lipstick and the eyeliner. And then I have some towelettes here. All you do is you just add water and it expands. And then I have a drinks packet here, and I have a ton of stuff in here. So there's Peak. This is the ginger elixir, hibiscus. There's matcha green tea. I also bring this Delight Pho. All you do is you add it to hot water, and it tastes so good. And then I have my favorite electrolytes drink. And this is the pink lemonade. I hope you guys can see that. And then I also have a honey packet here, which is good if you're drinking tea or if someone has low blood sugar, you can give that to them. And there you go. It's very important to stay hydrated during a flight, so I like to bring this with me. And then I have some panty liners here, a tampon, and then I like to bring some deodorant, and this is the Native Candy Cane. It smells really good. Reminds me of Christmas time. And then a few more items. I have a bunch of these Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. These are really good to have on hand. And then I have some poopery. Just spray this before you go. And then last but not least, I have a sewing kit. Okay, so that is everything in my comfort kit. I will put everything back inside. And there we go. Okay, let's close this up. So for your airplane comfort kit, just make sure you tailor it to your needs because for me, I always overpack, especially when it comes to EDC items or airplane kits. It gives me peace of mind. So what I'll do with this bag is I will take, let's say my Longchamp. This is the size small and it will fit right in here, just like that, with room to spare. So I will carry it just like this through security. And then when I get onto the plane, I'll just take this out. And then I will hook it in front of me so that way I have it just like that. So there you go. So what do you guys think? Did I forget anything? Let me know if you have something similar to this. I'd love to know what you pack for your airplane comfort kits. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!